Phone cam and see how it works. Alright guys, so I just finished washing the truck and it looks good, you know. Finally has a paint job, so obviously it looks way better than it did before. Let me just show you guys what it came out looking like. As you can see, there's actually something shining at the front now, not like before where it was just primer. So yeah, you know, I'm like how it came out. It still needs to be wet sanded and buffed, or cut and buffed, whatever you guys call it. So it's still got a bunch of orange peel, but you know, and it has a shitload of orange peel, but as you can see, it still looks good. So it's gonna look real good after it gets cut and buffed. So some new shit that went on it. The side mirrors are new because the other ones were all crusty. The headlights, I went with the crystal all the way through. I still have the yellow bulbs, so I'm gonna switch those out to LEDs, but you know, I like that crystal look. I think it looks good. It matches with the fog lights that are also new. What else? Got painted all the way through the inner door jambs as well. It got bed liner, so it already came with the bed liner. As you guys can see, I left it painted up here. I think it looks better that way because it's not, you know, a work truck or whatever, so it doesn't need protection over here. And it has bed liner on the inside. Came out real good. The tailgate is new, and then the roll pan is new. As you guys can see, looks nice. Came out good. The tail lights are new. The weather strip is new all the way through except for these triangle ones because I couldn't get them in on time, so that still needs to be changed out. But yeah, the only thing that came out bad on this truck, I'll show you guys. The only thing that came out bad on the truck, for the most part, the only thing that came out bad was the hood. So it looks good because it does have a couple layers of paint, but in person, I don't think on camera you could see it. It has like dots on it that came out. Let me see if you guys can see it. No, I don't think you guys are gonna be able to see it, but it has a shitload of dots everywhere, little dots everywhere. And yeah, so basically they're gonna respray my hood because once they saw that was happening, hold on, I need to open this. They just didn't even bother painting the bottom, or they forgot maybe, I don't know. But they're gonna repaint the hood, and I have to wait. I think they said a couple months so that the chemical reaction that's occurring on the top of the hood cures out and then it doesn't happen again. But I think what I'm going to do is, since I'm gonna wait anyways, originally I wanted to put the cow hood on it, so I might just order the cow hood and then have them repaint that one. So yeah, maybe I'm gonna get a cow hood for this in a month or two. But yeah, that was the only flaw on it that, you know, it sucks because it, you know, it looks like shit at the bottom. Everything's all nice and painted and it's white at the bottom, and then it's got paint drips at the top. ¿Cómo está? Also, while they were at it, my radiator was leaking at the bottom, so I got a new radiator. My water pump was leaking, so I got a new water pump. They resealed the oil pan because it was leaking oil. A lot of little shit happened to it, but it's pretty much good now. The differential did not get fixed. That's the one other thing. The differential did not get fixed because they're kind of, I don't know, I guess scared to fix it, and then also they were trying to charge me like a shitload of money. Trying to charge me a shitload of money because they wanted me to do everything brand new, and I honestly wasn't really down for that because I know I could get my differential rebuilt for not that expensive. But they were honest with me, you know. They told me straight up that they weren't gonna really fuck with it unless I was ready to do the whole new thing because it was too much work. So, you know, you could appreciate that, but you know, I'm not gonna drop fucking $2,000 on the differential when I could get it rebuilt for cheaper. And also it was gonna be with no warranty, so you know, I need warranty because the quatches like to burn out their fucking differentials. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Still wrapping that fucking 503 trucks. Your girl's favorite truck club, you already know. The original your girl's favorite truck club. So stay repping that. That's the new Lightning paint job. Oh, and then I also have the axle flip kick for the rear. So I'm gonna be installing that probably next weekend or maybe the weekend after that. So stay tuned for that. It's gonna be lowered. And then once I lowered that, I haven't ordered the front yet because I don't know how much it's gonna lower. Supposedly it's 5 inches, but you know how kits are that, you know, they advertise a certain fucking amount, but it's really not that. So a ver cuánto se tumba with the axle flip kit, y luego ya viendo cuánto gap tiene, I'm gonna try to level it out with this one because I could order the spindles for it, but I don't want it to rub because I'm gonna get bigger rims. These are 18s. I'm trying to get 20s or 22s. Probably go with 20s because I still want, you know, some decent amount of tire. I don't want to rubber band it, so I'm probably gonna go with 20s, and I don't want it to rub anywhere. So either I get the 3-inch spindles or the 2-inch springs. I'm not sure yet, but once I drop the rear, I'm gonna decide, and then I'm gonna order it, and that'll be another video. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Make sure you comment on the comment section what types of rims I should get. Actually, I know what types. I'm gonna get dub ballers, but also drop whatever you guys think is best, you know, like something else that looks good on Lightnings besides billets, because I ain't got that kind of dough yet. But I was thinking dub ballers for it, but I don't know if I should get gloss black or the same color that it has right now. I am gonna go a little bit bigger. I'm gonna go 20s on it, so that it's gonna look a little bit nicer. But make sure you guys let me know if I should go black on black or if I should keep that alloy but with just bigger rims and the dub ballers. But yeah, let me guys know. Let me know, por favor.